Okay guys, so today I decided to put the end of the wondering how to actually properly solder the valve, the water valve, okay? And I decided I'm gonna just destroy one, brand new, or maybe not destroy, but I'm just gonna take it apart. And I did already, and it was a nightmare. I could not just use a channel axe and wrench, I had to use the impact driver, and still was really tough to unscrew this. So now I'm gonna open this thing and let's see what is inside. I was always wondering if I can just open this and solder, when I'm soldering this thing, and the pipe going this way, okay, going from the bottom to the top, if I can open it and just do it any better. But from what I see right now, the Teflon ring is pretty much engaged here, and I cannot remove the Teflon ring. That's, I don't know if it's pressed in or that just doesn't come out. Maybe it's glued in, whatever. So on this side, obviously you cannot really get in. I mean, unless you really want to get into this part, take it apart. Now I have a bunch of junk in there. But oops, there you go. Didn't even know you can take this out, but I guess you could. I mean, not I guess, but I can see you can. That's very interesting. But again, here we are, and there's the Teflon ring on the other side. So you don't have a choice. And this one is not coming out either. Okay, so you really don't have a choice than just leave it as it is and solder it as it is. And that kind of sucks, but let's put it back nicely. Actually, let's clean all the junk out. So anyway, this is a very short video about opening the ball valve and realizing that you cannot, I mean, it's not gonna do any good if you're gonna open this and try to solder it when you open it, because the Teflon ring is still attached, and no matter what you do, you are just not gonna avoid the heating the Teflon ring. So now I'm just gonna put a Teflon tape on the thread, screw it back together, and be done with it. Now I know that there is no better way than just solder it the best you can the way it is. I hope it helps.